5 a.m. morning today. I'm leaving early because I want to see the sunrise. So my plan was to reach there by 6:30 so I could see the sunrise. But I'm not sure if I would be able to because I'm a bit late. Because it's morning time, the city will be empty. The traffic lights will be on though, like last time. Like I said, I cannot expect much from here. Stupid dog. Giving me content already. See, you can predict which dog is going to chase you and which is not. See, if a dog comes in front of you and just is staring towards you, you understand that it is going to chase you. But if it's like unbothered, then it won't probably attack. So you have to do some prediction here and there. So Devaranagya is located. Devaranagya Devanarayana Peak is located near Tumkur. And it's 87 kilometers from my location. So I'm heading towards it. Google Maps it was showing. Oh no. In Google Map it was showing 87 kilometers. I thought I will reach there in 1 hour, 1 to 1.5 hours. See, this is why I tell you, these guys, this truck just skipped this red light at the speed of I think around 50 or 60. So any guy coming through the green signal, he will think that the traffic is stopped and they will just crash, just because of these carelessness guys. These are not accepted. This is not good. Be even if it's green signal for you, you just check around both corners if it is safe or not, because anyone like these idiots would come and just ram you and you will be no more. And just don't assume that people are going to stop. Always assume the negative, that people, they won't be stopping and they are just some idiot is going to crash into you. If you have this mindset, then you can be safe on the road. That's what I have to say, man. Always care about your safety. Wear full gears, wear helmet, and just be alert on the road. Don't just rely on these lights and idiot people. Your life is very important. Okay, that's a lot of gyan. Now I won't say anything.
Okay.
Man, there are no reflectors, no nothing near the speed bumps. You just dive into them and into the potholes as well. It's too much risky, man. If there are no lights, then I am gone easily, because my highness headlights are not that good. I have to accept that. Maybe the throw could have been little better, but it's okay. I have to get some auxiliary lights. We'll be getting later. See, this guy jumped over the speed bump. It's not visible, man. See, there is nothing, no sign. Just come and fly on the speed breaker if there is no light. You guys must have seen that video, that BMW flying over the speed breaker. It's like similar conditions everywhere here. If you don't, if you are not careful enough, you won't see the speed breaker and you will just fly like that BMW. The roads, man, doesn't give any confidence at all. The problem is that, see, man, see, my voice is getting distorted because of these bumps.
Stop it.
Oh, my visor is covered in fog, man. So we have escaped the city and we are on these villages near Bangalore. And we are headed towards Devaranaya Durga peak. Oh,
Get some help.
as you can see, the weather is so foggy today. Maybe God is with me so that I can see the sunrise. Now there is not much distance left. It's only 12 kilometers, showing 21 minutes as of now. I wanted to record this journey because it's beautiful, man. Escaping from city traffic. As soon as you escape, you get peace here, riding slow. This is the feeling you come for. These ride parts are many times better than the location, destination, to be precise. Oh man, this feels good, man. Yesterday I was just regretting that why didn't I went. I have covered it up today. I just hope it doesn't rain. If it rains, then my is ruined. I could not even go. I won't be able to go also. I just do not have any rain gear prepared with me. Oh man, I was feeling hot in the Bangalore city. Here there are clouds. I'm feeling cold now. It's a little bit cold here. That's why going slow. But yeah, it is good to see there aren't many bike riders coming here. This location is, I guess, not explored as much as other places like Nandi Hills and all. And Nandi Hills, though, man, it's Nandi Hills, to khair, we won't talk about it. Whoever says Nandi Hills should be kicked out of the group immediately. And this place is nice, man. There are a lot of trees which doesn't have any leaves, and there are these green trees as well. Observing, yes, man, I do observe all these things. What is my guy doing with the legs stretched on the scooty? Just wants to relax. Heisenberg says relax. Tumkuru is left. Devaranaya Durga is 7 ahead. 7, right? Solo riding is awesome, man. I don't know, since I did the Sakleshpura solo ride, it just has a different place in my heart. I am not like hesitated to go solo now. Before I started, it was like I should be in a group, I should go with someone, with some people. But now I will just go, I'll pack my things and I will just leave. Go left from here. Is that the same Brezza? No. Brezza guy was blocking me on the highway. Just wanted to know if it's same or Devaranaya or Durga. Yep. Let's go. Devaranaya or Durga, 5 kilometers. Man, this exhaust note is coming so nice. If you can hear it, exhaust note is very nice. And it gives some pops and cracks also is in between. That feels even better. Oh, road here is not good. And I kind of struggle on these type of roads because suspension is a little bit stiff, so I can feel each and everything, and it's not comfortable. There is a lake over here, small lake. Oh man, I think the sunrise is going to happen this side. This is a nice road.
Hello there.
And there are some guys stopped here. At least I see some bikers. I looked at them, they looked at me. Keep me content, guys. Give me content.
कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा है लड़का ये?
They were like, wow, nice. Oh man, look at these clouds. Oh. And this. Feeling the chills. Let's see. See, my bike is struggling. It cannot go above second gear.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Put it in third. In third, it will struggle.
अबे साले.
See some cars here. People are going parallel or what? Saying who is going to stop. This truck is going as well. Listen to the exhaust, guys. It's so nice. Sounds so good. I'm making vlog right now, otherwise I would have captured some. Everything is covered in clouds. I think this is the checkpoint. Into there now. से ऊपर नहीं जाएगा क्या? हाँ, रोड बन रहा है. वो बाइक जा तो रही है. ऊपर जाएंगे कैसे? पैदल? कितना दूर है इधर से?